David Klein Levitt. Next home, first choice, your choice, realty. The crystallization process. It's part of the buyer consultation, and it's the funnest part and my favorite. And it is exactly what it says. It's crystallization, meaning by the end of the process, and it is a process, you, the buyer, will be clear on what it is you're looking for in a property. And you're probably thinking, like, what is he talking about? Well, generally when an average agent, a normal agent, an untrained agent, it could be a good agent, takes you looking for property, they focus on features: bedrooms, bathrooms, backyards, washer, dryer, number of cars that can fit in the garage, that kind of thing, neighborhood. Well, the advertising and marketing industry has spent billions of dollars converting features, because they don't sell features, they sell benefits. People are interested in benefits. Features can change, features can be added, subtracted. Benefits stay the same. What do I mean by benefits? Well, the marketing and advertising industry broke it down to, I think there's 14 major benefits: convenience, recreation, privacy, prestige, entertainment, health, economy, value, security, self-actualization, romance, comfort, aesthetics, and I think I left off health and or entertainment. So what happens is, in the process, we filter out your top 3 values or benefits that you're looking and desiring in a property. It's a great process. Might take about 20 minutes. But at the end, you're going to be clear on really what you're looking for as far as the benefits go. And how it really benefits you by being clear. You're not going to be bamboozled, and yes, I love that word, bamboozled, tricked into buying a property because of the staging, because it looks absolutely gorgeous. You fall in love with the window dressing. Turns out the home isn't the perfect home for you. That can happen. So it'll avoid that. So when you go into a home, you're just going to rate the home based on those benefits, and it's cut and dried. Takes all the salesmanship out of it. How did you score? Score high enough? You probably should make an offer. Not, even if you love it, it's not going to have long-term, everlasting feelings of being the right one for you. So you don't want to buy it. So it takes all the cells out of it, crystallizes. You'll be clear on exactly what it is. It's the greatest process. I can't wait to share it with you. This is David Klein Levitt. Next home, first choice, your choice, realty. Peace and blessings.